Badminton is a fast paced sport and a great and inexpensive way to lose calories. Do you know? Just playing an hour of badminton, one can lose more than 450 calories. But if you are unable to access an indoor court and turn to enjoy playing outdoors because the shuttlecock's flight is too dependent on the wind, don't fret as a new shuttlecock has been released specifically to play outdoors named Air Shuttle. In fact, a new variant of the game named Air Badminton or simply Outdoor Badminton has been announced. As quoted by BWF president and gold medalist in 1996 Games, Paul Eric Hauer, who said, "This is a momentous occasion for badminton. Strategically, air badminton will allow us to fulfill our overall objective of putting a badminton racket in the hands of as many people as possible." Given that most people's first experience with badminton comes in an outdoor environment, we are now making it easier for everyone to access the sport through a new outdoor game and new shuttlecock, the Air Shuttle. In the future, we see air badminton as an exciting, new energetic version of the sport. Overall, the aim is to inspire more people to play more badminton in more places. BWF is working with manufacturers to mass produce air shuttle, and it's no doubt that outdoor badminton shall be a huge success and may one day even become an Olympic sport. Already variations of other sports like beach volleyball and 3x3 basketball are Olympic sports. Now coming to the video's main topic, qualification for badminton in 2020 Olympics. Hey guys, welcome to my channel India and Olympics. There are 5 events in badminton: men's singles, men's doubles, women's singles, women's doubles and mixed doubles. Qualification is via ranking based on results of tournaments played in 29 April 2019 to 26 April 2020. In singles, a country can qualify 2 athletes if both of them are in top 16. Otherwise, only one athlete can qualify from that country. In doubles, a country can qualify 2 pairs if both of them are in top 8, otherwise, only one pair can qualify from that country. Additionally, there shall be a representation of minimum of one athlete or one pair in each of the events from the 5 continental zones. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the ranking tournaments in March and April in 2020 were cancelled, and BWF announced that the qualification ranking points shall be earned in week 1 to 17 of 2021. Now let's look at Indian prospects. In men's singles, India has 8 shuttlers in top 50, more than any other country, but has only one in top 16, who is 2019 World Championships bronze medalist Sai Praneeth. Olympian in 2016, Kidambi Srikanth has been struggling for injury and had poor form in the qualifying period and reached only 2 quarterfinals. He is 6 places and about 8,000 points away from qualifying. Hope his form returns in 2021. Another shuttler who could qualify is 2018 Youth Olympics silver medalist and former junior number 1 Lakshya Sen. He has already won 2 BWF World Tour titles at the senior level, and his game will mature more by the first half of 2021. In women's singles, 2016 Olympic silver medalist and 2019 world champion PV Sindhu is comfortably ranked at 7th. But Saina Nehwal had a poor qualifying campaign and she sits in 22nd places, 6th place away from qualification. It was highly unlikely given her form she would qualify, but with the extended qualification period, she has a chance. In men's doubles, the young pair of Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty are ranked 10th and are poised to qualify. They are the first Indian pair to win a BWF Super 500 tournament and are actually dark horses to win a medal. The next ranked pair are 2016 Olympians Manu Atri and Sumit Reddy, who are sitting in 35th position. They are not expected to qualify. Coming to women's doubles, the pair of Ashwini Ponappa and Sikki Reddy are ranked 28th and are outside the qualifying spots. They need to finish in 13th qualifying spot or about 20th rank, as the last 3 spots will be taken up by continental representation. The next Indian pair of Meghna Jakampudi and Purvisha Ram are ranked 45th and are thus highly unlikely to qualify. Lastly, in mixed doubles, there are practically 2 pairs of Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy Ashwini Ponappa ranked 31st and Pranav Chopra Sikki Reddy ranked 33rd fighting for qualification. They would need to be in minimum 13th qualifying spot, currently at 16th rank. Given the extended qualification period, one of these pairs can be expected to qualify. So who do you think can qualify in badminton? Please mention in the comments. Next up, we'll be looking at boxing. So please subscribe if you want to get the latest updates as soon as the video is released. Thanks for watching. Ciao!